Hello everyone and my dear fellow NRIs. I hope you guys are doing great and you guys are doing safe so far. Today I would like to discuss a little on tips for NRIs for investing in real estate. I know things are getting a little promising after this vaccinations being started everywhere. So looks like soon everything might get settled down and we might get into our normal lives. So I think this is an exciting time for non-resident Indians to start investing in real estate. Before investing, I would urge each and everyone to check all the regulations that govern buying and selling of the properties. Usually, people buy properties in India or whoever not residing in their countries. Those people buy properties like investment or with the emotional relation with the place they lived, or for retirement plans like they might be planning to come back and settle down in the future. So it's basing on perception. So whatever. So basing on a survey, it's multiple surveys. Basing on those surveys, usually they got to know that the cross-border global real estate transactions are almost 30%. Yeah, it's almost 30% of the basic real estate transactions. So one thing is really important. NRIs are only limited to invest into commercial and residential properties. They are okay if they have inherited any agricultural lands or farmhouses, but they are not supposed to invest in any agricultural lands or farmhouses or those kind of things apart from residentials and commercials. So while planning to invest, we have to make sure of a couple of things. One thing is the property transactions. How are we going to manage? First thing is by remitting the money to India through normal bank channels, and the other thing is using the NRE NRO accounts. We are not supposed to use travelers checks or cash. And good thing is there is a possibility of getting almost 80% of the loan if you are planning to buy a property through loan. The eligibility is pretty simple. Being a citizen of India, it's very normal, and however it is applicable for a fellow Indian, it will be the same. But good thing is the chances of getting a loan approved will be really high. And the criteria of payments of loan will be by the rental return over the property, or the inward remittance through our salary that can be paid from the banking channels, and it can also be paid by the money that we might receive as a gift from or received as a gift from a close family member, or the property or the money being inherited. So for more updates, stay tuned. Subscribe to Regrob for more real estate updates. Do post your comments if you have any specific questions. You can also connect me through Twitter and Instagram. You will be able to find my details in the comments. Thank you.